Hey guys, welcome back to Furniture Flippin' Teacher. It's Lauren here. Merry almost Christmas. And as many of you saw in the end of Monday's video with the black and gold dressers, I announced a giveaway that was happening from December 21st on that Monday until yesterday, Wednesday, December 23rd at 4 o'clock. That giveaway has closed now, but I wanted to take you along the journey of flipping that piece that I am giving away. And then at the end of the video, I will be announcing the winner for that giveaway. Enjoy watching how this bench transformed into a beautiful bench. I hope you enjoy the video. We're headed to Home Depot because along with the giveaway, I wanted to gift myself as well and use some new brushes that I've been eyeing, and they're called Zibra or Zebra. And I'm gonna get some new brushes so that I can paint the piece of furniture that I get for the giveaway. So let's go to Home Depot. This is good for spindles. And now it's time to find a piece of furniture to flip for the giveaway. Alright, so I just found the piece of furniture that I'm going to be giving away. The reason I think this will be perfect for a giveaway is simply because it could go in anybody's house. I can make it pretty modern and neutral looking, so I am excited to get this loaded up and get to flipping for you guys. Time to unload at home. Hold still. This is just for some storage stuff. Okay, got them unloaded. Gotta get some sanding done on this bench. My fingers are frozen, so I think it's time to go back into the garage. I'm gonna finish sanding by just using some paper. This is 100 grit, and I'm just going to fold it around the spindles and basically get some of the varnish off. Also, since the spindles, 3 of them were already broken off, but I thought it would be kind of cool to show you how you can still flip a broken piece. So I'm going to remove spindles on the other side to make it symmetrical across the whole thing. Just need to remove 2 spindles, so we're going to give it a go with the hammer. Oh my gosh, where'd that go?
There you go.
One down. Yeah! Spindle off. I didn't have a saw, so just decided to go for it with the hammer as Neiman's idea, and it worked, so. Had to get the little chunk out of the area where the spindle was from the one that had previously broke off. Happened to already have some caps that fill holes. So I was gonna put a whole bunch of wood filler in there, but I was like not really feeling it because that's a lot of deep holes to fill. And then I was like, hey, I have some caps, so reusing the materials that I already had, and then it fits right in. Boom. Just gonna glue those in before painting. You'd rather have too much glue. Now we wipe off the excess with some paper towels. So I ended up letting the little caps dry overnight. It is morning time and we're ready to prime. For the primer, we don't really need to make it thick. We just need a nice thin layer, so a little bit goes a long ways. Alright, that was a big job. The primer's got to dry now, and then I will be ready to put the beautiful blue color on the bench. I went and gifted myself these paintbrushes. I just felt in the spirit, and I got 1,000 subscribers, so why not? This one is specifically for corners and raised panels, and then this one I actually got, and it actually happened to work out great because this is actually a spindle brush. And then after I got this brush, I found the bench, and I was so excited because I was going to be able to try out this spindle brush that hopefully makes it a lot easier to paint the spindles than just with a regular old brush. So excited to use these. If you voted in my Instagram poll, thank you. We are going to be painting the bench Quiet Night, which is a blue color. Alright, so there's the blue color with the Chippy Barn paint. You don't want to shake it, which actually I just found out about recently, so usually within about the first couple of strokes of paint you can tell if you're going to need another coat or not. You can just tell because the paint is not covering as well as it needs to in order to be just one coat. So alright, I am all finished with the first coat of the blue Quiet Night on the bench. So we're going to let that dry really well. I'm going to put my handy dandy fan on it, and then we'll go ahead and do the second coat. Well, it's nice enough right now that I was able to open up the garage a little bit. I am going to go ahead and put a second coat on the bench. This brush is making a world of difference for the spindles, so I'm so excited that I found this right in time for this giveaway piece. It has so many spindles and I hate them, but this is making it way more bearable. Alright, second coat's done. I'm going to put my brush in a bag just in case I need any touch-ups, but it looks to me like second coat, 2 coats is all I need. I believe we are ready for the top coat. I did a few more touch-ups. We're gonna do the Chippy Barn satin finish, just matching the paint. Here we go. Alright, that will do it for the top coat of the bench. I am loving how it turned out. The missing spindles, I'm so glad I had those caps and that I thought of putting them there. I think it really turned out nice. The color is hard to see in the garage lighting. There's a little better for you, that bright, nice, bright but dark blue. That is gonna look perfect in somebody's house. Speaking of looking good in someone's house, here it is in our house. This was such a fun flip, and it's getting really close to 4 o'clock, so we're about to see who gets to have it in their own home. All right, it's time, 4 o'clock Central Time on Wednesday, December 23rd, 2020. We are gonna see who our giveaway winner is. We had 10 entries from all over the world. Here we go. Okay, congratulations, Bridget. I am going to send her a message right now, and then we'll go from there. We'll see where she lives, if it'll be delivery or shipping, or if she takes the option of the paintbrushes. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys entered in the giveaway, thank you, and I hope to be able to do more of these in the future. So if you haven't gotten yourself subscribed, subscribe down below. Like this video if you found it helpful for you. I'll see you on the flip side.